So hello everyone, this is Airdrop Mining Update. Welcome to this wonderful edition. Today we're going to be talking about 9 projects which we want to jump into, or we just a quick reminder, like a recap. We've been talking about them for quite some months now. Some of them have listed as season 1, some have done haven't done the snapshot, some are still ongoing, some are just in the middle of the stage. But whatever it might be, I'm just going to give you a recap of these 10 projects and the reason why you need to embark on them. So the number one I'm going to talk about, the first one is going to call Gata AI. This is an AI project which requires less effort. All you need to do is just connect your email and your wallet and EVM wallet, and you're good to go. So it has a referral system, as you could see here. You could use a referral system and get some points. So this is where you get your referral, and you both earn 10%. It's an intelligent and AI project, so you can also interact with this by making use of it like a chat GPT. If you come to the chat part of it, so here you could ask whatever question and it's just gonna, you could use it in writing an article, just the way the chat GPT performs, the same way it performs. So for this one is less effort, just connect and let it run. It also has an extension which you would want to install. This extension, so you need to get this started. So once you click on the data agent, you click on the start DVA. It's just going to ask you to do some human verification and stuff, and all it keeps doing for you, it keeps looking for job. So these are jobs that it brought for me, and it's just going to catch a job and just keep giving you point for it. So that's how this one works. The Gata XYZ is an AI project. So that being said, the next one we're going to talk about, it's Solix. Solix is a Depins project which also run on an extension. It has a badge to mint, which will cost you approximately $3. It's not a financial advice. I'm not going to tell you must mint the badge or not to mint the badge. At the moment, we can't tell if the badge is really a criteria or not, but nevertheless, this is what Solix is all about. It's a point system. You just have to connect your EVM wallet also, and do the various tasks like you follow, join Discord, and do all the social tasks, retweet, and get all those points allocated to you. So it's also a referral base. You could refer if you wish, and just let it run. As long as you are active, it keeps running for you on your data, on your unused data. So this is a referral part where you could get your link and refer, invite your friends, and you both get points for using this very project. So verify, it's the badge we're talking about, which TG has this upcoming. So these people are verified. You have to get Ethereum on base to mint this badge 0.00128. So that's it, and this is the extension for Solix. If you want to get, you must get the extension actually. So this is the extension, and that's it for this one. And the number 2, it's my favorite, it's called UNICH. UNICH happens to be an exchange. The project has not really taken a snapshot, they've not really talked anything, but I think something good is coming very soon. So what you need to do is quickly jump into this project. It's just also an activation, and you let it run for every 24 hours. You come back to claim and activate it again. So this is how it works. If you scroll down, I'm going to leave all these ones a link in the description. So once you scroll down, this place for a new beginner is going to be showing yellow. So what you need to do is just to click start, and it just keeps starting. You keep farm earning for you. In 24 hours it will be done, and you come back and activate again. It has no extension, but it has a tax, a social tax, and another kind of tax which you need to follow, retweet, and all those stuff. So for this daily tax, they keep popping these tags, most of them done on X. If you click on the claim, for instance, all you need to do, you click on got it, and it's going to open an X page about something. But just to quickly conclude on this one, I'm just going to copy the link, that's all in once, and come back to the real page and paste the link. This simply signifies that yes, you opened the link, you checked it, and you did you read or whatever was being asked to do there. So here I'm going to click on got it, and that's it, that have been done. So this same thing I'll do for this. So that's the UNICH. That's how it works. Nothing much, nothing less. So you just keep earning and refer. You could also refer your friends. It's an exchange where you could trade. You understand? You could trade with it. If you want to do the trading part, you could do the trading part and deposit and use. That's what that's what they are all about. The mission is to become an exchange. But for now, it's already trading. There are so many lot of pairs there you could do. So this way you get your invitees, your referral link. You click on this place and you're going to get your referral. I'm going to leave my link also if you're going to use my link to start this project. I appreciate that so much. It helps in building my platform, and also we help each other like that. So that's for UNICH. If you come to the Web3, if I click on this place, you can just toggle around and see what it's all about and how they've really gone in terms of the project standard. They keep adding pairs, they keep doing a lot of stuff that you could just play around and you see how it works. So this is the Web3 part. And if you come to the market or the trade, which either of them you click, it's going to open for you to see the markets of various token. So you just have to connect your wallet and you're good to go. The new listing will be listed here. Trending volume will be, you just play around. If you come to the trade, this is where you have to connect your wallet also, and definitely you see volumes and you just play around it, and it's interesting. Yeah, it's interesting. You see a lot of coins, a lot of pairs that you could deal with. All information you need to know about new listing on the very platform, on the UNICH. These are the coins or whatever project that have come into this platform to do, which you can trade or interact with. So you connect your wallet and you're good to go. So that's for the niche, UNICH. Sorry. So the fourth one I'll talk about is an old project. Though they've done the season 1, a lot of guys complain, a lot of guys achieved, but for me it was still fine. And that very project, it's called MESHCHAIN. So MESHCHAIN is still going on the season 2, which you could join and deposit some BNB, like $1 or thereabout, just to help you do some claiming. So you have the opportunity to get 2 nodes. The first node is your extension, which you will always want to acquire. This node will be on your web, and the second node is on the Telegram. So the link of the Telegram, all I will leave. So you just have to come here whenever it's done. You claim. I'm going to click on this claim. You see what's here, and it's going to ask me to claim. Not enough BNB, but I need to get a caption here first because I have some BNB, and I'll just press my claim, and that's done. So for the Telegram, it's where you have the second node to do your claiming. So you could see install extension. That's the extension there. And use the Telegram node. As this one, you could see set up your node. It's just about having the Telegram link there, and you claim from both sides. So it's super easy to do. This is where you see the 2 nodes. So right now my 2 nodes are down, because if I have to connect this one, then go to my Telegram and also activate it, you're going to see the 2 nodes running here and farming for me. Then all I do is just claim. So that's for the MESHCHAIN AI. It's an AI driven project. So the 5th one we'll talk about, it's no other one than NordPay. NordPay have concluded first season. They've done the first season, and actually it was fine. The coin is already trading on different exchanges. You could see the price, even though it hasn't really risen up, but it's still quite okay. A lot of guys who really did well on the season 0, season 1, and season 2, they were awarded a good allocation. So recently they brought out this new tax that have been trending, which is called Signal, something Signal. See the Signal, which for those who are holding the NC coin, the name of the coin is called NC. So if you're holding the NC coin, you'll be able to get this. So recently my own just opened. A lot of guys wants to be showing coming soon. If you watch my previous video, you'll see that I've been talking about it, and mine have been showing coming soon. But today, as I did before yesterday, it has indicated open for me to click on. So I can only partake on this if I had hold some NC on my wallet. So I need to do this before the snapshot, just to get a chance of increasing my my points. and it's a Solana project. You have the ability to invite. You copy your link here, or you take it from the referral side here, referral program, and refer your friends, and you both guys get some reward. So that's how this works. So on the dashboard, you have the ability to come in every day. It's a daily task. You come here and you click on this very place here. Let me allow this to load, and there's a green button that will be showing for you. This is daily treasure claim. So you claim 100 every 24 hours. So now you can see I got some hours remaining because I've already claimed for today. So referral points is going to calculate for you. This also have a mobile app which enables you to also claim points, 600 points there every in a day. You could claim that like 3 times, or as long I think I've done a video about that. You could check my YouTube channel and you're going to see a video regarding to the mobile application for Node Pay. So these are the points for, if you see on my network system, you could see right here that the mobile resource utilization I've gotten like this. That's the green one you see there, partner reward, and also and so forth. So you need to install the mobile app to get more points, since it gives you 600, and in a day you could get like 3 times if you consistent in looking at the bar. And that's it for the Node Pay. So follow them on Discord. Make sure you connect your wallet. That's very important. It has to do with Solana. So connect your email, connect your wallet, confirm your wallet, and that's the most important thing you need to do. Right now we just ended the season 3, and it's calculating my point for that. It ended yesterday, being the 14th of July. So the season 7 is up now, so we're just going to keep farming for more points. So we just got paid for the season 0, 1 and 2, if I'm not mistaken. So we just working now since 3, 4, 5, 6, and now we're on the 7th one, which you can simply join as soon as possible and work and get your points. So make sure you come to the media and boost part of it, and there's a tax there which is very mandatory for you, which is a proof of humanhood. It's going to work for you because that's only how the system verifies that you're not a bot, and the bandwidth provider, which you always get when you stay up to 100 hours accumulated network connection. So you need to keep this active. You don't have to sleep on it, but keep it active so it doesn't log out. So this is it. The holder of the booster gives you that one I talked about earlier on. If you could hold this NC, the shrimp token, if you hold also, you get some points on. So that's how basically this whole thing works. And there are missions you could do. If there's a new mission, you come over here and make sure you engage on this mission and get some point from them. So that's it for the Node Pay. So the extension also, I told you guys about the extension. That it has an extension, which is this very one. So you have to install the extension for it to work perfectly for you. So the 6th one I'll talk about, it's Gradient. It's really not really much people don't really talk about this project that much, but it's a quiet and solo project that I know that they haven't really talked about the listing, but we are on the season 1 as we speak, and it's a very it's a Depin kind of Depin, and now I think it's also related to an AI, because they just brought out something on the extension, on a new task that you could see and also engage on, since the world is moving towards this AI, and so the crypto world is also shifting towards that side also. So you could see that mostly we now have the AI project, like we had in MEM previously, the infrastructures, education, and all kinds of projects on coins like that, but now the AI has also taken a lead in this very crypto space. So what this does is that it also uses it's like a mapping, a geographical mapping, and also uses your unused data. So once you connect your wallet, EVM wallet to be precise, you're going to see that if you click it, you see that it's showing good. It means I'm good, I'm connected. And try to install your extension, and also a referral. For every referral you give, you also get a 20 points. Both parties get 20 points. So please try to use my referral link if you have started this Gradient, and keep working and make sure you're online on the Gradient and acquire more points. So this is the home page right here, and the node, it's your extension. If I click on the extension, which is a node which you have to install to make it work perfectly, you will see that it scans the globe and automatically catches different countries where it drags points for you. For now I have 5 countries or 5 tabs that I've been getting. If you look at this one, is the United States. So if I look for others, I'll see that let me see if I could get other ones, but apparently it's showing me 5, so I need to look for where those fives are, but that's how it's going to show United States, France, depends. It changes. You get up to 20, 15, but the more it catches, the more you get taps. That means you're getting point from the central node. So now they brought a new tab, which is the parallax and the latica. One of them works like the chat GPT, which you could use, and the other one works like a globe, like a mapping to help data motion and all these GPS stuffs offline and online. So you could also engage with any of them and just play around it. And I'm also going to leave the referral link in my description for you to make use of. So that's for the gradient. So it helps you as you stay online. You're going to be moving, shifting, referral boosts like that. So it's a very interesting project, and I urge you guys to get yourself into this very project. Season 0 is done. Now we're in season 1 going. Make sure you do the achievement, this task, whichever one is still open for you. Try to engage on them and move yourself. If you could get to the diamond or whatever you could get yourself to, push yourself hard. So the 7th one I'll talk about is the almighty one, which I love so much, is grass. I've listed your season 1, and it was nice, and we could see the coin is doing well so far since it listed, and so far so good. Even with the dip recently in the market space, it went as low as $1 and some cents, which it started in the first trading less than $1, and it has grown so strong that all-time high was almost $2 stuff before this recent dip in this last month. So we hope to see it grow more, even higher, especially when they have a new announcement about the hardware they're going to be selling, which is just a plug and play hardware that helps you farm passively. So for this, they brought a mobile app of recent. Previously we were not having a mobile app, but now you have the ability to get the mobile app and also claim there massively, as it gives you a 3x. As you could see here, 3x. So that's what the mobile app gives you. So for this, it has its own extension, which I will show you. You must install the extension on your web. Mind you, most of these projects I just talked about, you mustn't get those that doesn't have a mobile app. You could run them on your mobile phone if you don't have a laptop. It means you could download either of those, Kiwi browser, Brave, Mises, and run these things and have all these extensions running on your mobile phone. So it mustn't be that if you don't have a tablet you can do this. No, and none of them is restricted to any country as far as I know. You could wherever you are, you could engage in this very project. So this is the grass, and this is how it runs. I did a video about a trick that you could set on your laptop or your mobile phone, whichever way, and keep it active so your statistics will always remain high like this. So yesterday I wasn't really active, that's why my system was down. I offed it, so that's why my bar was a little bit lower here. If not, the trick I talked about will make everything kind of within this range. You're not going to be having this low, high, low. No, it's going to be as high as it is. So also you got a referral program which you could refer your friends, and you're going to get some point for every referral you do. And mind you, when you refer your friends, they might not count instantly as a referral because they need to stay 100 hours of time for them to become counted as an eligible referrer. So I have 12 pending here, meaning these 12 guys, they engage on my link, but they are not really doing the grass, meaning they've not really engaged or run the grass on their, maybe they just did for some time, they offed it, they just deleted it, or they're not, it's disconnected, they thought it was still connected, so that's why they've not been counted as a referrer. So the referral gives you a point system. Also, it also pushes you on the tail for you to get some positions. If you got a referral number or the point, either of them could push you to any of this diamond, emerald, and so far. So the reward, it's here, which I talked about previously. This is a reward system. The push, we're on push 9. We just finished the push 8 on June 25th. So the points was all here, and all these points what they're going to be as in they're going to correlate and give you your airdrop upon what you do. So your email is needed to get started. Your wallet, which is a Solana, a Phantom, or Souffle, either of the Solana wallet, you must connect and confirm, and that's all you need to do to get this up. So far so good. They haven't talked about when the listing is going to come for season 2, but definitely I believe you could get yourself in now and still cash up and get something, especially when the price is even above $1. So definitely, if you're fast and the way the coin is moving now in the market strength, it could move back to its $2, if not even approaching $3. So that's it for the graphs. And eighth one is called distribute AI. This the season 2, it's on now. That's what we're doing right now. We've done season 1. I wasn't really appeased, or I wasn't really okay with season 1, because actually we are not informed on what was really needed. But at the time of listing, we got to understand that those who had a GPU on their laptop, it means the GPU is a kind of a system that runs on your laptop as regard to window, so it has a level of your RAM and your processor, all those stuff. So that was what really enabled a lot of guys to, okay, let me connect back, to get the airdrop. So for me, my laptop was a Celeron, also my GPU was not really, you could see it's an Intel i5 5, so it was not really Intel, so it was not really having a good GPU system that could really give me the airdrop. That's why I was, but with a lot of complaint from X and everywhere, I think they had a listening ear, and they knew that, okay, they need to go on with season 2, and that season 2, which we now know that we're going to be eligible for it. It means there ain't going to be any discrimination if you don't have a good GPU on your laptop. So every one of us is expected to get this airdrop, and it has a referral. With the help of your referral here, you could copy your link, share. This is a referral link. I'm going to share mine on the description. You could use, and so far this is the credit you've gotten, and the referral, it's important for you if you want to catch up faster. And the statistics, if you move the graph, my stuff shows disconnected, so I would have shown you what you need to know. So this is how, when it's active, it keeps moving the graph like this. So I've been down for some days now, that's why it's not really showing anything. It has an extension also. This happens to be the extension. You must install the extension on your laptop or your mobile phone to make it work completely. If there's no extension, it's not going to work, so your extension must be there. So that's it for the distribute AI. This is an AI driven project. So the ninth one is DeepSpeed. DeepSpeed is a new project I just started recently. So as you could see on the earning part, if I quickly show you something here, you see for the fact that I started lately, I was unable to I missed the kilo cycle, the mega cycle, the giga cycle, and right now I came in at the very last minute of the giga cycle. That's why I had the quest. I used the quest in getting just this point. So you could see referral, network, I didn't get anything from it. So it's a Terra cycle I'm really working on. That's why I'm having these points here. So this is also a Depin and also kind of an AI project. So every day you have to come in and click on this claim to get 100 points every day. You got a quest you have to do to give you good points. Then you also have your network statistics that's going to be showing down here. If you click on the quest part of it, if I click on this quest, you got stuff to do, and they got a streak which you come in consecutively on a straight 7 days. You're going to get this boss to open. I was supposed to have opened this boss earlier on, but they had this network issue for some days, which everyone was really skeptical about. But at the end of the day, good thing they came back, and most of us lost this streak. That's why this is my day 2 now again. And you have to go on your socials and follow this quest, refer if you wish to, and claim the amount of referral gives you, but that's not really important, except you really want to get point from there. Of course, you want to tell your friends to jump into process, like you're already referring them. So on the social quest, you have the ability to connect your Discord, join the Discord, follow X, Telegram, all these various things. Copy this on your name, add to your username display, come back here, verify, claim your point. As you can see, follow on YouTube, have claimed a lot of them, but my X seems not to be working, in the sense that I've done most of the tasks. Whenever I click to verify, it tells me to do the task again, so that might be a glitch. Someone else, you guys can talk in the comment section if yours is also acting weird like that. This kind of crazy. So on the transaction history, these are the points I've been getting so far. My network earning, daily earning, social quest, so that this all I've been getting from the activities I've been doing. And my referral, which is also this very place. I had a referral, but I don't know, it's not loading right now, but I think I have 1 or 2 referral there. So you could copy your link and share your friend, which I will leave in my share on your X also to help you get more traction. It also has an extension. So these are my total earning for the day. for so far on this project. This total earning, today's earning is 400, cycle earning is 9,900, and total together 13,200. So the extension for this one, it's it works similarly like the layer edge. So this is it, and this is what it does. Just speed, quality index, global internet. It's just like what gradient it's about to do too. Like I talked about the two new functions they brought in. One is like this, the second is like the chat GPT, so which you can interact with on the gradients. So this is for the deep speed. And the last one I'm going to talk about, which is my number 10, is layer edge. Layer edge, a lot of you guys have done this very project. They've listed where we bought a node, we minted badges. Some guys did not really enjoy it, like they had a poor remark towards very pretty, but so far so good. I wasn't really too bad about it because it all depends on your effort. A lot of guys cashed out of this very project, and it's already trading, which you could engage on. But the season 2 it's going on, and you can also continue if you were not doing that before. And if you are a new biz I want to start, you could also start doing this. So what you need to do on this one, it's the node is being given to us now to use. You just have to come to display review your node, and it's going to open the node system for you. You copy the key. There's an extension you have to install now on this very season 2. You have your extension, copy the key, paste the key here, and run your node. Once you run your node, you start the node, and it's just going to keep every 1 hour. You have to keep coming back here to start the node. So in less than an hour again, I'll come back here, start the node, and it's just going to keep rolling around and giving you some points. So 7 days, 2 hours, time node uptime. So this is what it does. So these are the various projects I just talked about, and I believe you could also share your referral link. So this very project, do not joke with them. Try as much as possible to engage yourself, especially the ones that I haven't listed, so you could get a good position for this AI and Depins project I just talked about. So I'll be signing out now for this very one, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a reminder, some of these projects I talked about, you guys might have been doing them, or you guys would have backed out from them because of disappointment, or you guys might have even forgotten that you were engaging on this. That's why I took my time to do a recap, like I said, on these various projects. So it's like a reminder for us to know that we need to get ourselves into the project back again. So that's it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share the video with your friends. There's a Telegram group which you could join. I also leave it in the description. You could reach out to me and ask me some questions there. I'll be willing to respond to you. That'll be all for now. You have a nice day, and see you in the next one.